Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download website files and database from Acronis Backup in cPanel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cPanel and then you see Acronis Backup. So click on it. Now you see Acronis Backup open and then you see backup. Also you see recovery operation log and then you see date and time. So you can select date and time according to your requirement. Now I select 15th September. So click on it. Now you see types, domain, file, database, mailboxes, mail forwarder. Now click on database. So first we are going to download database. So click on it. Then you see database from this date. So you can select database according to your requirement and then click on download. Now enable or checkbox and then you see download button enable. So click on it. Now you see succeeded archive database and then you see download button. So click on it. Now you see file name in zip format. So click on save. So in this way you can download database from Acronis Backup. Again click on date. Now you see files. So click on it. Now you see files and scroll down, you can select files according to your requirement. Now you see different folders, public HTML folder. Now select any. Now open public HTML folder, so click on it. Now select folder and then click on download button. Now you see succeeded message archive, so click on download. Now you see zip file, so click on save. So in this way you can download files and database from Acronis Backup in cPanel. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.